Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 82 for multi-vendor e-commerce website in Django with ReactJs. In this video, we will work on customer review section for the product, right? So this is our customer panel. When we click on the orders, it will show the product list, right? Then we have a component order row. In this, we have added add review button along with the download button, and we are checking if order status is true, same as download button. And then when we click on this, we have created a new component at review, and we are showing the things, right? So mainly we have changed in the order row add review, and then we have also changed in our app.js, right? So here we are add review import and then define the route here, right? So when we click on this, we are passing the product ID, and then we are it will show this, and then we have a review and rating, right? And we will save this data in the model. We have a product rating model, and we have already created the serializer, and also we have a URL. So this URL is a uh, view set, right? So we can access this with the product rating, right? So let's try to do this and send the data. So add review, we mainly need in the serializer, we mean customer product rating reviews add time. Don't need add time because add time is automatic. So we have a model, so this is automatic. And then customer order rating, okay, no problem, we can send. So customer product rating reviews, right? So we have add review section here. We need customer, so this is, so one is customer and then one is product. So here we have a product ID, right? And then we have a customer, so this is our customer ID, and then this is saying text, this should be text, right? Now let's do this with the, we will say URL and then product rating, right? So product rating, okay. Now let's see, so text, right? So text everything is okay. All right, now let's see that how it is submitting the data. So, and we are doing this because we want to show the testimonial on the home page here, and we will not show all of the reviews, but we will show the average rating, not average rating, we will show the rating, but top contributor, right? So this is review, let's say rating 5. Let's see now. So what we are doing here, add review post, okay. So submit 404, response reviews is required, okay, sorry. So we have a model reviews, all right. So it will reviews, we need to change here, reviews, uh, this one, let's say rating, and then we have a rating, okay. Let's say review this 5, then submit 504, null value in column customer ID of relation were none. Okay, let's see what we are passing here, request. So review this, rating this, customer is this, product is this. So why this is saying oh, we don't need this, don't need the depth, okay. So 5, submit 201, and now we can check 127 admin. Let's go for rating, and this is the rating, right? So customer 3, this is one product, right? So where we have dashboard orders, so this is one, right? Okay, so we have completed this ad review. Now we need to fetch on the front section, right? So we need to fetch here. Okay, so let's see, not going to fetch, but let's see how we are dealing with this. So home, testimonial, huh? So logo, seller name, footer, mm, mm, testimonial. Let's see, well-known quote. Okay, so this is our browser item. Hmm. Okay, so we need to fetch all of the data here in the home, and then we can define the things. All right. Okay. Okay, so we will do this in our next video. We will fetch the testimonial, and we will also where is that orders, we will show the average rating and review here, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. Let's meet in the next video, and if you need this source code of this project, then you can just simply go to github.com/codeartisanlab, and here I have I'm showing the public repository, and you can just support me with this amount, and I will provide you access of this source code, right? And you can also send me request for the LMS which we have created in the last series, so I can also provide you. And here I have defined the prices, right? So thank you so much for watching the video, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.